In this tutorial, we will cover adding subtests to your test key in DataLink Connect. DataLink Connect provides the ability to create subtests within your assessments. Some institutions refer to this feature as embedded questions, but for simplicity, in this tutorial, we will refer to this practice as creating subtests. To get started, you will need to load a key into the program. Once your key is loaded and is showing in the key line here, changes can be made to the key, such as adding subtests. To add subtest, click on Session and scroll down to Subtest. A new window will open for creating and assigning subtests to the key. To add a new subtest, click on the plus sign here, which will automatically place the cursor in the top name box, where you can title the subtest you wish to add. You then can add a description to this location. To assign test questions to the subtest category, click on the Assign button. You can limit the assigning of questions to a single subtest or allow a question to be assigned to more than one subtest. If you only want a subtest category to be assigned to a single question, mark this box here. This will restrict a question that has been selected and assigned to a specific subtest category from being available to select for another subtest. If you want to allow questions to be assigned to more than one subtest, unmark the box. There can be multiple subtests added depending on the number of different topics or units that are being covered in the test. Continue adding subtest categories and assigning them to questions by repeating these steps until all necessary subtests have been created and assigned to questions. You can view all the questions that have been assigned to subtests by clicking the button that says Review All Subtests. This will open a new window for you to review the question alignment with different subtests. The first tab that will open, titled Subtest, will show you the title of the subtest in this area and the questions assigned to the subtest here. The next tab, titled Questions, will show you in a question-centric mode. This view will allow you to see each test question and the subtest to which it was assigned. In both tabs, any unassigned test questions will show in the area here. Once you are done reviewing the question alignments, click OK. When you have completed making selections in this window, click OK to apply the changes. Once all subtest information has been assigned, you will need to resave the key to ensure subtest settings are saved. From the menu bar, navigate to File and scroll down to Save Key. This will cause a new window to open where you can assign where you want to save the key file to, as well as change the title if desired. You can then save your key with a newly assigned subtest. Once subtests have been added to a test, you will see the results when you view the subtest reports in the program or when exported to Excel after the answer sheets have been scored. If you have additional questions about adding or using subtests in DataLink Connect, please contact a member of our technical support team at 800-827-9219.